Note series phones of Xiaomi hits its sales due to its quality specs and affordability. That is why many people want to buy these phones. Hi, it's me, Vanessa Villar of BSN Filipino 2B, and we're here today to talk about the latest cell phone craze, which is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 series. And here we will talk about its features and specification and why do I prefer this kind of phone. So let's dig in! Redmi Note 10 has a Snapdragon 678 48MP quad camera setup, 5000 amp battery, and 6.43-inch AMOLED display for only 9,990. Let's start with the design. The camera has its new look with a rainbow gradient design effect, and even the unit is mostly made of plastic materials, still look like a premium phone. Due to its thin feature, it is easily to grip, and it has IP53 rating, water and dust resistance, and you will never think about that this phone is less than 10,000 phone. It has dual speaker, enough to hear in a room, and has a quality sound. And it has fast and accurate side-bound fingerprint scanner. One of the main selling points of Redmi Note 10 is the display, which is the 6.43 inches AMOLED display, 1080 resolution, protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and 60Hz refresh rate. And this is the only phone that has a quality display with a very affordable price. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 has its new MIUI 12 on top of Android 11. User-friendly and doesn't experience occasional lags, and has a very smooth navigation through the phone. Speaking of the performance, the Redmi Note 10 uses the Snapdragon 678 chipset, 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. The performance is fast and responsive in social media sites, and when it comes in gaming, it plays smooth and well. In camera, it has a quad camera setup, which includes the 48MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, 2MP depth, and 13MP selfie. Camera details are sharp and quality and retain the details in highlights and shadow. And in videos, we can record up to 4K 30 FPS sharp and detailed. This phone has 5000 amp battery, which is common now on phones. But the thing is, the 33 watts fast charging which is not common on the budget phone. My main reason in buying this phone is because its features suits my daily needs in school and for personal purposes. This phone serves as my mini laptop or my mini computer. My phone has its applications and engines which can help me in my schools. My phone is equipped with Google application, which includes the Gmeet, Gclassroom, Gmail, and Chrome, which I use in research and on my online classes. This phone is also equipped with WPS application, which includes the Word, Excel, PPT, and many others. To be well equipped with my school project, I also installed Canva, CapCut, and PixArt to edit my portfolios, videos, clips, and pictures. So cell phones are produced because they are very significant technological shift that change our lives. Demands of smartphones has increased. Cell phones are used for a wide range of communication services, for entertainment, and for personal uses. So cell phones are produced to meet the demand for affordable devices that allow people to communicate and access the internet. So before, cell phones are being produced mainly for communication, sending text message or making a voice calls. But today, cell phones or smartphones allow people to communicate with each other through voice calls, voicemails, video calls, and many other. We have this Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, IG, Snapchat, or even Viber. Cell phone provide access to the internet through LTE, 5G, and Wi-Fi. Our cell phone has its built-in multimedia devices which allow people to take picture, record videos, play music, and stream videos and listen to the radio. Cell phone has also other services like including email, making or sending or receiving mail, navigation, and payment solutions. So nowadays we have the so-called GCash and PayMaya. So we just have to install this application and voila, we have this online wallet. So that's it. I'm Vanessa Villar of BSED Filipino 2B under the supervision of Miss Cheryl Ann Matella. Bye-bye!